Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add zip code to Vanilla Visa gift card in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, go to the official Vanilla website. Look at the back of your Vanilla Visa gift card to find the official website and only use the official site to avoid scams. If you can't find it, you can search on the Google Vanilla gift card create account to get the correct page. Next, you're going to have to create a customer account. Once on the Vanilla website, look for an option that says Create New Customer Account. Click on it to begin the registration process. Then enter your personal details. On the account creation page, fill in your name, address, create a password, and after entering all the required information, click Register or Finish to complete the sign up. Then, after registering, you'll be taken to another page where you can enter your billing address, including your zip code. Now, this step is important because it links your address to your account. Next, while logged into your account, go to the option to register your Visa gift card. Enter the card details as requested and make sure you are signed in so the card automatically connects to the address and zip code you added earlier. And finally, confirm you're logged in. Sometimes your login status may not show clearly at the top of the page, but once the card registration is complete, it should be linked properly. And this means your zip code is now attached to the gift card. That's it. Now you know how to add zip code to Vanilla Visa gift card in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.